So let's validate the merge. So we are basically here going to check whether one to one, one to many, many to many, many to one. Um, so we're not going to see all the cases, but let's just check for one that after the merge, whether we can validate it or not. I'm creating here frame one. So let's define the dictionary which has key value pair here. Then we are going to convert it into data frame. So let's take ID category for the simplicity. Let's define frame 2 as well so that we have another data frame to compare. Let's define the categories here. Let's take AA, BP, just to keep things simple. Now let's convert them into data frame. Now let's convert the frame 2 as well into data frame. And now let's check what kind of data we have in the data frames. So let's define data frame 1. As you can see, so the data is there in the data frame 2 as well. We have successfully created our data frames. Now let's try to merge them. So data frame 1 dot merge data frame true, and we can merge it on the ID. That's the that's common as well in both the data frames. Now let's try to validate it as one to one. This should give some kind of error or warning. Now shift plus tab, and as you can see, so this a detailed description of what are the arguments and what they actually does. So you have one to one, many, many to one, many to many. You can validate on any of these. So as we did, so we got the error: merge keys are not unique in right data set, not a one-to-one merge. So we can actually see in the data frame 2, right? We have duplicate IDs, one AA, one BB. So if we are trying to merge it on the ID, it's not so on one to many you can actually see how the result looks like.